Kendall's warm, humid climate and sunny days make energy efficiency a top priority for homeowners looking to maintain a comfortable home while reducing energy costs. One of the most impactful upgrades you can make to your property is installing energy-efficient windows. These modern windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, enhance insulation, and provide long-term savings. Here's why energy-efficient windows are a smart investment for Kendall residents. Lower energy bills. Energy-efficient windows significantly reduce the amount of heat entering or escaping your home, helping to stabilize indoor temperatures. This means your air conditioning system doesn't have to work as hard, leading to lower energy consumption. How they save energy. Low E glass reflects heat and UV rays while allowing natural light to enter. Double or triple glazing. Multiple panes of glass with insulating gas between them reduce heat transfer. Weatherproof seals. Prevent air leaks, keeping cool air inside and hot air out. For Kendall residents, where cooling costs can be a significant expense, these features translate to noticeable savings on monthly utility bills. Improved comfort. Kendall's climate often brings high temperatures and humidity, making it essential to maintain a comfortable indoor environment. Energy-efficient windows help regulate indoor temperatures, ensuring consistent comfort throughout your home. Comfort benefits. Minimize hot spots and drafts caused by poor insulation. Reduce indoor humidity levels, preventing dampness and improving air quality. Keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer during occasional cool weather. These windows create a stable, comfortable living space, no matter the weather outside. Enhanced curb appeal. Energy-efficient windows are available in a variety of styles, materials, and finishes, allowing you to upgrade your home's appearance while improving functionality. Aesthetic options. Choose from frame materials like vinyl, aluminum, fiberglass, or wood to match your home's design. Select from a range of colors, finishes, and decorative elements like grills or frosted glass. Custom shapes and sizes can enhance architectural features and add visual interest. Modern, stylish windows boost your home's curb appeal, making it more attractive to potential buyers and neighbors. Increased home value. Energy-efficient windows are a sought-after feature for today's homebuyers, particularly in regions like Kendall where climate control is a major concern. Installing these windows can increase your property's value and marketability. Why they add value. Potential buyers appreciate lower energy bills and sustainable living. Energy-efficient upgrades demonstrate that the home is well maintained and up to date. Enhanced aesthetics make a positive first impression, increasing perceived value. Whether you're planning to sell or simply want to enjoy the benefits yourself, energy-efficient windows are a wise investment. UV protection for your interior. Kendall's abundant sunshine is a perk of living in South Florida, but it can also cause damage to your furniture, flooring, and decor over time. Energy-efficient windows with UV blocking features protect your home's interiors from fading and wear. How they work. Low E coatings block harmful UV rays while allowing natural light to brighten your space. Reduced UV exposure prolongs the life of your furniture, artwork, and other valuables. This added protection keeps your home looking beautiful and reduces the need for costly replacements or repairs. Noise reduction. Living in Kendall means enjoying a vibrant community, but it can also mean dealing with noise from traffic, neighbors, or outdoor activities. Energy-efficient windows with soundproofing features help create a quieter, more peaceful home environment. Noise reduction features. Multiple panes of glass with insulating layers dampen external noise. Well-sealed frames prevent sound leakage, enhancing indoor tranquility. This benefit is especially valuable for homes near busy streets, schools, or commercial areas. Durability and low maintenance. Energy-efficient windows are built to last, using durable materials that can withstand Kendall's humid climate, heavy rains, and occasional storms. Durability features. Vinyl and fiberglass frames resist warping, cracking, and fading, even in extreme weather. Impact-resistant glass options meet Florida's building codes, providing added protection during storms. Weatherproofing materials reduce maintenance needs, saving time and effort. With proper care, energy-efficient windows can provide decades of reliable performance. Environmental benefits. By reducing energy consumption, energy-efficient windows contribute to a greener, more sustainable environment, a priority for many Kendall homeowners. Eco-friendly advantages. Lower energy use means fewer greenhouse gas emissions from power plants. Sustainable materials and manufacturing processes reduce your home's carbon footprint. Recyclable components make these windows an environmentally responsible choice. Investing in energy-efficient windows aligns with efforts to protect the environment while enjoying the benefits of a modern home. Final thoughts. Energy-efficient windows are more than just an upgrade. They're a smart investment that enhances your Kendall home's comfort, aesthetics, and value. From lower energy bills and improved comfort to increased property value and environmental benefits, these windows offer lasting advantages that make them well worth the cost. By working with a trusted window professional, you can choose the perfect energy-efficient windows to suit your home's style and climate needs. Whether you're renovating or building new, energy-efficient windows provide a long-term solution that combines functionality with sustainability, making your Kendall home a better place to live.